Hi, my name is Laura. I'm going to share with you guys how I created this beautiful soft wave using hot tool curling iron. First up, I am applying Aveda heat relief spray to protect the hair from any heat, and I am sectioning my hair away from the face and I am curling from the front bit. The reason I section my hair horizontally because if you want a soft wave, I think this is the way that you can achieve a more softer wave rather than sectioning the other way. So I am just keep it this way to make it be more softer, and then you can even have a bigger section if you want a bigger bouncy waves. So this is the section I'm doing. I'm actually sectioning my hair according to how much the barrel size is. So this is 32mm barrel. I am sectioning about 30mm, 3cm. So it does works well. Why I love about hot tool iron is they have an extra length than normal the irons, so it's super easy to comb my long hair, and really takes less than 10 minutes to comb my whole hair. So really easy to use, and also they have a setting for temperature. So at the moment I'm using 200°, but if you like to use it with less heat or more heat, you can go up to 220 from 160. Also, I found the hot tool curling iron is really good for doing your hair yourself, because they've got an extra length of cord as well as the cord is moving, so you don't have to worry about tangling around the cord. I found super easy to do my hair. Okay, so I am doing the other section, the other side, same as what I did before. And also I found really easy to do on my hair thickness, because sometimes the iron isn't really designed for thicker hair. So this iron is really good for any hair types, like thinner hair or thicker hair, doesn't matter. It really is to use, as you can see. Okay, so I finished my curls, and then I'm brushing with my brush. So this is the Wise Park brush, which is I love to use to finish my curls. And this is my tip. So this is like optional for you guys to do it. I actually like to use it for the volume. So if you can go over on the top, you can get a volume as well. Okay, so this is my finishing products. This is a dry shampoo by Mr. Smith. To finish my curls, it's super texture and then super dry. And lastly, I'm gonna use the air control to finish with my whole look today. Thank you so much for watching this, and then subscribe and then like this video. Thank you.